Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how I design light mode and dark mode. So here we have the same design, and I just want to talk about how I choose colors, how I choose borders, border colors, everything, and how I choose elevation, everything here. So yeah, let's start with the light mode. So in light mode, we have this is a simple onboarding wizard. So we have a card header, card footer for everything, and like card body part, which has like tiles, inputs, information boxes, radio buttons, everything. So in light mode, for the stepper here, we have like a light background, light blue background with a blue text, and when it is checked, we have dark blue background with a check mark, and similar it goes on for the next steps like this. And for the footer, I have like gray background, so this is like half hidden gray backgrounds in the bottom for all the cards, so that look better. And we have the same gray for the information box here also. And this alert has a border, and the inputs have just background colors, no borders, which makes it like in light mode it looks better with that. And yeah, so this is the whole design in light mode. So if we compare that with dark mode, here in the dark mode, the blue is not that bright. It's a little tinted. It's a little lighter blue here, because this darker blue didn't look good in dark mode, especially with the background. So here we have like a background color of Mist 950, which is from Tailwind CSS design system. So everything is mist colors here, so it didn't look good with this blue exactly. So I dimmed it down a little bit, reduce the contrast on it. And even for this header here, I didn't have like a light blue like how we have in the dark light mode. So in the light mode we have very light blue background, but here we have the same blue with same primary blue but with white text, and it goes on. So this looked better because the only difference is this is white text and this is again blue text. So this is the only difference, but this is better here. And same another difference is in light mode we have this tiles as border tiles, but here it looked better with just background color, because in dark mode elevation looks better than um, borders. So if you see in this dark mode, I don't have much borders anywhere. So even this alert doesn't have a border, and this bottom card footer doesn't have a border. But in light mode this alert has a border, the bottom footer has a border, because in a light mode the borders make better design. In terms of design it looks better, but in dark mode the elevation and different colors stacked against each other looks better, because as it is in dark mode we will our eyes will differentiate that even much better. So here there is no borders and there is no any separation like that. Instead we just have the colors to separate it. So the background color here, if you can see, the background color is the darkest color, and the card background body color is even little lighter than that, and the card footer is later than that, card header is later than that, and everything else just goes on top of it. So from the in dark mode we will just go from the darkest color to the lightest color, which we get it on top. So the topmost color, which in this case is these buttons, is the lightest color, which is the primary color. So everything apart from the primary color, I haven't used any other colors here. So it's just I don't want to use much colors even in dark mode, because it will look better with just some color. So I'll just select this and I'll let you know which colors we've chosen. Yeah, here I have just gone with the mist color palette and some blues. I in especially in dark mode I don't want you guys to use much colors, rather than sticking with as a single color palette like this. So if you're using mist from Tailwind CSS, just use that. If you're using some a gray color palette, just use that. Don't mix colors, don't add too much colors. So I have just used blue here, nothing much, and everything else, I think all the other colors come from these logos. So we have these colorful logos, so we don't need to add any other colors here. Even same for light mode. I used this bright dark blue here, and I didn't need to use any other colors because that looks better. So restrict your colors, stick to a single gray color palette. In this case I've used mist from 90 to 950, so stick to that single color palette, and even then don't use too much color palette. So here we have three colors: the background color, the card body color, and the tile color. So these are the three colors in dark mode that I play with. And even for here we have this background color, which is in the card footer, which is in the inputs, which is in these info boxes, so everything. So you in light mode you don't have to think about elevation that much. You just have to match your colors properly. So if you're using like 4 or 5 color palettes, make sure you use it everywhere, and make sure there's good distinction between the body and the footer. So it should have like a border in light mode, because that will look better in light mode, but in dark mode just elevation will take you there. So yeah, those are the design differences that I make in both dark mode and light mode. Let me know if this helped, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.